searches. Yay! All right, Magic C seems to like a word search. I hope you do too. Today is a fun page. You get to find the word, and then you just have to practice writing it neatly with lowercase letters. So find the words, and they will be in uppercase letters. I'll just practice one for you. I'll help you out. I see the word pool. And the word bank's up here, so these are the words you're looking for. Cross it out when you found it, and then write it on the line in lowercase letters in your neat handwriting. Practice writing the correct way, starting at the top for all our letters, right? Let's do one more together. I see the word ring. Circle ring. It's got our glide in it. Cross it off, and then remember you're writing neatly using your lowercase letters. Down, down, Magic C, up like a helicopter, down and turn. Look how neat that is. Have fun.